If you're a parent, teacher, or therapist, you've probably asked yourself, how can I truly connect with this child? How can I support their focus, their joy, their voice? Enter Attention Autism, a simple, structured approach that transforms learning through shared attention. Stage 3 is where things get really exciting. We call it bucket time, but it's more than a bucket. It's a bridge from isolation to interaction, from distraction to delight. For autistic children, maintaining attention can be a daily challenge. But when we give them something irresistible to focus on, we open the door to skills that reach far beyond the moment. We're talking about eye contact, turn-taking, shared joy, and those first beautiful steps towards social connection. And here's the best part. You don't need a therapy room, a huge budget, or fancy tools. All you need is curiosity, a sense of fun, and a willingness to play. Because play, done with purpose, is powerful. That's why we've gathered 17 simple, sensory-rich activities that you can use right now, in classrooms, therapy sessions, or your own living room. From fizzy eruptions to glitter explosions, these activities are designed to grab attention and hold it, while laying the foundation for lifelong communication. So, ready to see what's inside the bucket? Let's discover 17 ways to turn everyday moments into magic. Before the fun begins, let's talk about the bucket. It's more than just a container. It's the star of the show, the moment of mystery. Big or small, plastic or metal, your bucket doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs to be deep enough to hide what's inside, and colorful or shiny enough to spark curiosity. Because when you walk into the room holding the bucket, eyes turn, voices quiet. Children lean in, waiting to see what surprise you'll pull out next. What's inside? A glitter shaker, a fizzy volcano, maybe even a flying teabag rocket. The point is, it's unexpected, exciting, and totally irresistible. To prepare it, simply gather a few visual, sensory-rich items. Think movement, sparkle, color, or sound. Place them in the bucket, layered so each one builds momentum. Then, during stage 3, reveal them one by one. It's not just about the activity. It's about creating a shared moment of wonder. And now that your bucket's ready, let's dive in. 17 activities. 17 chances to connect, engage, and have a little messy fun. Splack painting with pom-poms involves colorful creativity. Watch as vibrant colors burst and swirl across the page. Fizzy color eruptions combine baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. Fizz, the mixture bubbles and overflows like a colorful mini volcano. Create a glitter bottle shake with warm water, glitter, and food coloring. Watch the glitter swirl, dance, and settle like magic snowfall. Floating bubble snakes are made with a plastic bottle and cloth. Poof! Long, foamy bubble snakes twist through the air. Make a rain shaker parade with a plastic bottle filled with grains. Shake it gently for a soft rainstorm, fast for thunder. Fill a clear cup with water, then spray a fluffy shaving foam cloud on top. Using a dropper, drip colored water onto the foam and wait. Watch as the color rains down, slowly streaming into the water below. It's quiet, focused magic, a storm you'll want to see again and again. Invite your child to guess what color will fall first. Carefully stand the empty tea bag upright on a tray. Light the top and step back. As it burns down, it suddenly lifts into the air. Whoosh! It's quick, surprising, and full of wow. Always do this one with adult supervision and plenty of space. Kids love watching and guessing which one will fly higher. Pour milk into a shallow dish and add a few drops of food coloring. Then dip a cotton swab into dish soap and touch it to the milk. Boom! Colors explode and swirl like a moving painting. Kids are mesmerized. It's science, art, and attention training in one. Let them take turns making patterns or naming the colors they see. Thread the string through a straw and stretch it tight across the room. Blow up a balloon, don't tie it. Tape it to the straw and let go. Whoosh! The balloon rockets across the string with a burst of speed. Children cheer, point, and ask to do it again. It's perfect for turn-taking and predicting whose rocket will go faster. Hide little toys under a bed of rainbow rice. Give your child a spoon and let the discovery begin. As they dig, shake, and scoop, hidden treasures appear. The sounds, textures, and surprises hold their focus beautifully. Bonus, this also builds fine motor skills without them even noticing. Blow bubbles with a straw or wand, then catch them gently with cotton gloves. With the gloves on, the bubbles don't pop, they bounce. Children giggle as they juggle bubbles on their hands. Tornado in a bottle. Fill one bottle with water and glitter, then attach the second bottle upside down. Swirl it fast and flip. A spinning tornado appears, twisting from one bottle to the other. Children are mesmerized by the movement, calm, focused, and amazed. It's like holding a storm in your hands. 13. Ice cube smash. Freeze tiny toys or colored objects inside ice cubes. Place them on a tray and let kids excavate them with a spoon or toy hammer. Every tap brings a crunch, a crack, and a hidden surprise. It's satisfying, safe, and full of anticipation. 14. Dancing raisins. Drop raisins into a fizzy drink and watch them dance. They sink, then rise, then sink again. A great one to pause and ask, what do you think will happen next? 15. Feather blow race. Each child gets a feather and a straw. Blow through the straw to make the feather race across the table. It's silly, simple, and full of laughter. Bonus, it strengthens breath control and turn-taking. 16. Soap foam mountains. Mix soap and water to make big, fluffy foam. Add food coloring for rainbow peaks. Let kids touch, scoop, or hide objects inside. 17. Slow-mo balloon pop. Blow up a balloon, add some confetti inside, and pop it in slow motion. Kids can watch it burst again and again. Anticipation, surprise, joy. Replay it together. Did you see that piece fly? And there you have it. 17 simple, sensory-rich ways to light up stage 3 of Attention Autism. Each activity is more than just fun. It's a moment of connection. A chance to spark curiosity, and a powerful way to help your child build attention, joy, and shared experiences. You don't need fancy tools. Just a bucket, a little wonder, and the magic that happens when you're truly present. Try one. Try them all. And most of all, have fun with it. For full instructions, printable guides, and even more ideas, visit us at allspecialneedsnow.com. Don't forget to like, share, or follow for more simple strategies that make a big difference. Thanks for watching. And remember, sometimes the messiest moments make the biggest memories.
Let me know if you try any of these activities and which one is your favorite. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Visit our website, allspecialneedsnow.com.